Welcome to my tutorial today on what is cryptocurrency and how it works. How you can know about cryptocurrency today. That is the main reason of this creating this video for you guys to understand what is crypto. We have spot trading, we have future trading, we have Bitcoin, we have major currency you can trade on different exchanges. So in this video today, I'm going to show you guys what exactly is cryptocurrency and how you can easily know between spot trading and futures trading and what is cryptocurrency on its own. Let me just kindly show you what is cryptocurrency. This just make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video, share this video, and if you are interested in crypto content like Bitcoin, crypto analysis, technical analysis, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like and share this video to all your friends on social media. Let's jump into the video right now so that you can understand what is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital form of money that is built on blockchain, all right, technology. Unlike traditional currency like dollar or euro, cryptocurrency are decentralized, all right, meaning no bank or government control them. It's that simple. So it's a digital currency, all right, because no bank and that is controlling all this digital currency. The most well-known cryptocurrency is cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. You can see this is Bitcoin. All right, we have Ethereum, we have SRP, we have Tether and B and Solana, and so on and so forth. So I just want to show that you can understand what is about cryptocurrency right now. So and how does this, can you see, and each of these digital assets run on its own blockchain and has different purposes. And you see, we have Binance, Binance Coin, Solana, SRP, and so forth and so on. So how does blockchain work? All right. Think of a blockchain like digital ledger or notebook. Every time someone send or receive cryptocurrency, that transaction is recorded publicity in this notebook. So this is can you see the special part is once a transaction is written, it cannot be changed or deleted. It's permanent, secure, and transparency. It's that simple, guys. So how does cryptocurrency work? That is the main reason I just want to show you right now in this video. So crypto users use cryptography technology to secure transactions. All right, crypto users, all right, crypto use cryptography technology to secure transactions. When you send crypto to someone, a network of computer called node confirm transaction. One is verified, it get added to the blockchain. It's that simple and easy, guys. So we have two major use to verify transaction. We have proof of work, we have proof of stake. Can you see? Then we have spot versus future trading. What is the difference between spot trading and futures? I'm going to show you right now in this video so you can understand what it's all about. One of the main reasons where people make money with crypto is through trading, especially on platforms like Binance, Bybit, Mexi, and Bitget. Let's break it down. The two most two trading method. Number one, we have spot trading. All right. Can you see? Spot trading is buying or selling of actual crypto assets like Bitcoin or USDT. When you buy Bitcoin on spot market, it's yours immediately. It's your own personal asset. All right. Example: you buy 0.01 BTC at 30,000. You own that 0.1 bit and can hold it, transfer, or sell it anytime. It's simple and best for beginners. No leverage, risk is very low. Then good for long time holding. It's very simple. Future trading is speculating on a period of crypto assets without owning the actual coin. You can profit from both rising and falling prices by opening long or short position. All right, most future platforms offer leverage, meaning you can trade with more money than you actually deposit, but it's also increase a risk. Example: you believe Bitcoin will rise, so you open a long futures position of 30,000 with 10x leverage. If BTC goes to 31,000, your profit is 10 times greater than it would be in spot trading. But if it goes the other way, your losses are also multiple. High risk, high reward, require experience, best for short short-term strategy. So why cryptocurrency important in 2025? Here is what you see. Here is why more people than ever are paying attention to crypto. We have number one is decentralized and freedom. Crypto allow you to be your own bank, no middleman, no permission needed, investment opportunity. All right. Then Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other assets have grown in value over time, attracting long-time investor and trader. All right. Can you see earning passive income? Two like Royal Q bot and you trading both allow you to automate your trading when they are asleep. Can you see we have a lot of trading bots you can use to automate your trade without you doing. They can easily buy for you and sell for you. So if you want, I will be making video on that later, so you can understand what it's all about and how you can just use that particular AI bot to just trade for you automatically without you doing anything. So the AI bot normally sell, buy for on your spot trading without you doing anything. When you are busy or you are very busy person, you don't have time to trade, and all this AI can be trading for automatically. So I'll be making video on that later. So we have spot and future trading like Binance, Bybit, can you see? And I will show you guys really quick information about. So just make sure to join my community down below so that you guys can understand what is cryptocurrency and how you can start trading. So let me just go to my Bybit account. If you don't have account before on Bybit, I'll put the link below this video so that you guys. So right now, this is my Bybit account. I'll leave the link down below this video, or you can just check my bio to get access to all my links. It's in my bio so that you guys can understand how you can just register with Bybit. All right, once you register with your Bybit, once you verify your Bybit account, all right, you need to just make sure to fund your Bybit account so that you can start trading immediately. You come to your assets around this area, then you come to deposit. All right, you need to just fund your Bybit account so that you can able to trade cryptocurrency. You can either go for P2P or you can go for deposits and deposit money. In my coming video, I'll show you how you can easily buy and sell crypto as well using the Bybit. Once you fund it, let's say you want to go for you want to fund, you come to USDT, right? Just make sure to select Run Network, then you fund it. Just copy the wallet address and fund. Once you fund finish, then your account will be really appear on like this on your account. That means you have already funded the account. Then if you want to buy a crypto asset, you can just come to market here. Let's say you want to start with spot trading. You can easily just come to BTC here. Then right now you must do some technical analysis before you can buy this. Right now BTC is coming down drastically. Where can you buy? You can do some. I will be showing you guys how you can buy. Let's say I want to buy BTC around this level. All right, around this level, I want to buy at let's say I want to even buy around, let's say 107 or around this level of 112. I'll now click on buy. I'll now put my limit. This is limit order. We have market order, we have limit order, we have market order. All right, it's that simple. Then you now click on, you now try to. So right now, let's say I want to buy at 112,000. Yeah, I want to buy with just $100 as an example. You can see I've already put my, okay, let's say $100 as an example. Then I want to buy at very lower cost. I don't want to buy at this particular current price because I want to make more money. All right, I want to buy at very deep. I want to buy at lower cost for me to gain some profit by buying Bitcoin and selling it. All right, so do well to subscribe to this. And you see, I'll click on buy right now. Then you see buy. Then the order will be waiting for me. Once my order reaches this particular zone, that means then I will sell it at 114 to make profit. This is a very simple way you can buy and sell crypto. It's that simple. Then if you enjoyed this video so far, try to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share this video. Bye for now, guys.